I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. For more info, check the Home app. Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Apple Music One now playing.
The Pod Radio, the home of breaking hip hop on Apple Music.
Yeah, I'll not be able to disconnect from this place.
Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently clear and 66 degrees. Temperatures are heading down from 66 degrees to 57 tonight.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What's more impressive than a talking parrot? A spelling bee.
Hey Siri, what percentage is my iPhone battery on?
Okay, back to the drawing board. Would you like another one?
Hey Siri, what percentage of battery is my Apple Watch on?
There's no battery here, but you can ask me about battery level on your other devices.
Hey Siri, play Spotify.
The app hasn't added support for that with Siri.